A'udzu billahi minasyaitonir rajim. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Learn the Quran without grammar. Lesson number 8. How Zamma, Fatha and Kasra at the last letter of the noun change the meaning of that noun. If last letter of noun has Zamma on it, it means this is a subject and work is done by him. Examples: Khatamallahu, Allah sealed. Sami'allahu, Allah heard. Next word Allah has fatha over last letter means it is an object. Work is done by someone else. Work is done by someone else, not by Allah. Example is Kazabullah, they denied Allah. Wa allama Adama, and he taught Adam alayhi salam. If last letter of noun has fatha, it means work is done by someone else. If there is kasra under last letter of noun, it shows possession or relation with other noun. Example is Kitab Allahi, Allah's book or book of Allah. Some more examples. Kalamullahi, Allah's word. Khatamallahu, Allah has set a seal. Anzalallahu, Allah revealed. Next, more examples. Kalamallahi, Masajidallahi, Ayatullahi, Kazzabu Shu'ayban, Hudallahi, Hadallahu, Anzalallahu, Khalaqallahu. Next, Katala Davudu. Katala, he killed, who killed Davudu? Dawood alayhi salam killed. Qala Ibrahimu, Ibrahim alayhi salam said. Qala Musa, Musa alayhi salam said. Qala Yusuf, Yusuf alayhi salam said. Raja'a Musa, Musa alayhi salam returned. Kafara Sulaimanu, Sulaiman alayhi salam denied or disbelieved. This is a part of verse of Quran. Qala Musa, Musa alayhi salam said. Here standing fatha on the last letter of Musa. Here is a standing fatha on the last letter of Musa, which will not change into Zamma or Kasra. There is no change in symbols of nouns which have standing fatha on their last letter. Examples are Musa, Isa. In Musa, E has a standing fatha on it, Musa, which is not changed into fatha.